One of the things that's been surprising is how bombastic the approach has been. And again, this has not been televised, so this is all based on what has been reported. But the opening remarks from his lawyers have very much been in line with his rhetoric, which essentially is attacking this as a political trial. Is that a wise strategy? I mean, as you said, to some extent, it's a fait accompli. There's been a summary judgment. On the other hand, you would think that being angry and bombastic in court is rarely a winning strategy.
Well, if he thinks he has a chance of winning, then it's not a good winning strategy. But if he knows he's going to lose, then he's really playing to his political base and continuing to make the arguments he's made before. Now, this judge has already sanctioned the two of these lawyers for repeating an argument he rejected. Lawyers should repeat arguments that are rejected. If they don't repeat them, often they waive them. So this judge going after the lawyers has tried to intimidate them. And I hope the lawyers won't be intimidated. There's a project out there called the 65 Project, consisting of hard left lawyers who are bringing bar charges against anybody associated with Donald Trump. When I complained about this group and said that I would defend anybody who they brought charges against, what do you think they did? They brought bar charges against me. And so they're going after every lawyer who has any association with Trump. I have no current association with Trump. I'm not his lawyer, but I was his lawyer in front of the United States Senate. And so the reward for that is having a bar charge filed against me. I have the resources to fight back. But the 65 Project said, let's go after weak lawyers, poor lawyers, lawyers in small areas, lawyers that don't have the resources to fight back, and intimidate them and make sure that they don't associate themselves with Trump. That is McCarthyism, pure and simple. And I'm going to fight back against that, even if it means bar charges against me. And I think there'll be bar charges against these lawyers as well, because this judge has made it a policy to sanction them for simply repeating arguments that he doesn't like.
You know, are you surprised that they didn't ask for a jury trial, given that this is a man who does play well to the crowd?
It wouldn't have made much of a difference because the judge granted summary judgment that would have taken the main issues away from the jury anyway. I don't understand why they didn't ask for a jury trial. New York law is a little vague on all of those issues as to cases like this. But in general, it's always better to have a jury than a judge when the judge is so inclined against you, as this one obviously is.